I would have been tearing her ass up with eggs.
No.
I would have been tearing her up, y'all. I would have tore that ass up. Okay, so there's an Upper East Side apartment building where a lady by the name of Yan Lee is egging the shit out of people's front doors. Yeah, that's right, you heard me. She is egging the shit out of people's front doors. Like, first of all, why you ain't got nothing else better to do? Why you gotta be messing up my front door and messing with my peace? Like, for real, what do you want? Now, she's been egging doors for quite some time. One resident whose door was egged was saying that she probably was targeted because she was Jewish or a single woman with a dog. So of course, with these complaints, management had to go ahead and look into this further. So they installed video cameras in the hallways. And true enough, they seen Ms. Yan Lee egging people's front doors. Now, mind you, these apartments range from $3,750 all the way up to $12,000, and that's starting from a studio apartment home. Now, a couple of residents prior to this moment have already complained about it, and management had to transfer them to different apartment homes. So you know they was pissed about that because now you're taking money out of their pockets. So when they see Ms. Lee throwing eggs, they called the police. The police knocked on her door, and Ms. Lee slammed the door in their face. I would have been pissed too. I ain't even gonna lie. I would have turned into Inspector Gadget on that ass. I would have had cameras set up and hidden plants on the outside and everything.
Ooh, girl, not hidden plants.
I would have been waiting on that ass. Ooh, I would have been waiting on her.
I know that's right.
And then at the perfect time, bam! I would have been tearing her ass up with eggs. I would have been tearing her up, y'all. I would have tore that ass up. And the thing that pissed me off the most because, like, I know she up here trying to deny. Like, I see you. I'm looking at my peephole. I see you, Ms. Lee. I see you sneaking at my front door. So, for management purposes, what do? You do what any management company would do. You tell the courts that you cannot reasonably re-rent these apartment homes and make her ass pay. This woman gonna regret it. I promise you she will. This is what the owners did of the building. They went to court and they asked the court to have Lee pay $260,000 in damages. $260,000 in damages. That's a hell of a lot of money. But hell, she could afford it.
Girl, stop. That's too much damn money.
I mean, she live in a studio apartment. $3,750 is how much she's paying for rent. And she wasted all money on eggs. Girl, you got it. Go ahead and cough up that $260,000.
Ooh, you just real petty.
Oh, they gonna learn her. They gonna learn that ass. They gonna learn you. She ain't gonna do it again.